Sorry, I got a call. Sorry. I keep getting calls while I'm on live. But it's because it's such a big moment, guys. It is such a huge moment for me. Oh my God. Trust me. Big up to the hotties and the Shenyings. My Shenyings don't play. Big up to my haters. Oh my God. Y'all make me so much money. You don't understand what's happening. Bro. We charting in the motherfucking US. Listen. Jamaican blood clot girl do that. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, sir. My happy. Me know sir. I can see like a matter in my eye. Look how it's squad on my mouth because I just wake up. But I just couldn't help it. I just couldn't help it. We made the news. To them, I just want to say every girl just a lick out. I just want to lick out in the tongue. I just want to say pure tongues today. That's all I want to see. I just want to see tongues today. I'm about to go pray as soon as I get off this live. I don't know why I didn't pray before I came on the live, to be honest. But goddamn, I was so happy. Bro, we've been trending for 25 hours. 2.1 million, almost 2.2 million counting in a day on YouTube. The streams are going crazy. I need y'all to continue streaming because that's where it's at. We on Apple Music right now. Yeah. KK Kush. Listen, remember, please DM me. I just want to see tongues right now, guys. I am so, listen, I don't even know how I'm gonna celebrate. You know, I'm here now with my son. I was working for 2 weeks prior to this release. My team, I just want to thank y'all because y'all know how long I've waited to just even get on this chart. And I'm about to dominate this bitch. I'm telling you. I'm about to. So that's why this moment is so big for me because it's like the start of what I'm going to do. It's the start of what I'm about to do. I'm telling you. And for the album that's coming, please, that album is for everybody. Everybody. And I named the album Alpha because it resonates with my personality. I've always felt like the head of my household. And me run things. Not things run me. Me lead. Not me. Me not follow people. People follow me. I lead. I am a leader. It means strength for me because a lot of my Shenyings know what I've been through and what I've endured throughout these past 5 years. And I am still here. Like, to be an alpha is to be strong, to lead, to be dominant. And I've been dominating. I told myself I'm gonna do dancehall for 5 years. I have given myself to dancehall. I've given y'all hits upon hits upon hits upon hits upon hits for 5 years, bro. And I'm not leaving dancehall because I could never. What the fuck you thought? I did not say that. But I have such a bigger dream for myself ever since I was a child. I'm going to achieve it because at the end of the day, it is my life. And it is what I want and it is what I've always dreamt of. And I'm going to get that for myself. Me and God, I got to that. I'm going to get that for myself. right? And I'm only gonna address this once because I see some tags in like my mentions saying that, I should focus back on dancehall more and I'm gonna be the next dancehall queen. I have never aspired to be a dancehall queen in my life. Never. I've never aspired to be a dancehall queen because I'm not only gonna be doing dancehall. I can do a lot other different genres. I'm not gonna put myself in no box to please nobody. So please don't expect that from me. I've been doing it for 5 years because I told myself I'm gonna give myself to my Caribbean people strictly in my country for 5 years. That should show that I can do it. I've done that. That's off my list. Like my friends can tell you everything that I have achieved. I take them off because I said I was gonna achieve them. I've take that off now. Now it's time to go to the next level. All right? I'm never gonna be an artist that you can say, oh, I sound the same, because y'all do be killing female artists, especially saying they have no style, they sound the same, they got the same flow. It's some shit to put down women, rather than saying, this person to excel at this, that person to excel at that. Instead, y'all say they can only do that, so it doesn't entertain you. That's what you can say about SHENEESA, and you will never. So please, please, don't even complain that I'm versatile. Don't. Y'all don't know what y'all want. And at the end of the day, I know what I want. So I'm going to always do what I want. You see this? You see this? You. Okay. Like, y'all don't even know the plans I have for myself this year. Last year, it was a learning year for me. Like, bro, we are on the top 200 iTunes charts. And we are at number 103. I haven't even started going crazy on the song yet. I haven't even started going crazy on the song yet. So thank you to everybody who has been streaming. Continue streaming. All right, continue streaming. We going crazy. All I want to see is tongue today. That's all I want to see. I want to see tongues today. I don't know. I'm going to stay with my son for the whole day. And when he's gone to bed, I'm going to go to the club, my nigga. I'm going to go to the club. I'm going to the club. I'm going to the club. I'm going to the club tonight. And thank you for all of the DJs, to all of the DJs who've been spinning my song on the radio. I made sure to do a clean version for this song. It's called Tick. So it actually blends back in with the put your back in it. Tick, 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 tick. Make it go boom, boom. Make that thing go. Bro, I'm overwhelmed. I am over elated. I am over elated. I am happy. I've been watching this fucking chart for weeks. I have been watching this fucking chart for weeks. Wondering, what can I do to get myself on this specific chart? since this morning, all I kept saying is open your mouth. I swear to God, girl, that was me when I first did that song. Like, all my niggas around me, you just hear them walking, open your mouth. Bro, I didn't even brush my teeth yet. Thank God y'all can't smell me though. Because this breath is hot. Just like my motherfucking song, bitch. Bye. Anyways, my debut album is releasing March 11th. I'm wondering if I should add one more track. I feel like I'm add one little more track. But I'm afraid if I try to add one more track, it will delay the release. So I'm big like confused. Call Megan. Normani sent me love. She sent me love the day before the song was released. She's so sweet. Big up to Normani. Chris Brown posted you. I'm gonna go look. Been playing lick in the strip club in LA. Thank you, Sky Baby. Oh, thank you. I appreciate everybody's support on this song. Suck wood. We're not suck no wood. We're not sucking no wood right now. I pump we are suck right now. And that we are talk about. Lick. Put the tongue on my clit. Not on the dick. We're not there right now. Go and link your male artists to talk about sucking dick. We're not talking about sucking dick right now. We are for the girls. We want tongue on our clits. And this is what we're there right now. For the whole of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and then next year, January again. Okay? I know I suck a dick right now, man. Sure. Leave the woman, let them shine. We're talking about eating or JJ's. That we're talking about. Somebody says, so cocky. Time done now. Who remembers when Vibes Cartel was having his whole era of just, bro, a freaky girl about 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. We don't want to hear about Uno right now. Uno having a time. Y'all got y'all shine. Let the women enjoy their time. You feel me? We love big dicks, yes, but that's not enough, bro. We want with pom pom suck. Pee. She just compared her song to Freaky Gal. No, I didn't, love. We're talking about a whole topic. Gigi, shut up. Gigi, just shut up. Just get off the live. Get off this live. Big up yourself, Tony Mix. I'm gonna name no pum pum. You're too lie. You're a liar. But anyways, guys, celebrating today. All I want to see is tongues. Alpha coming soon, March 11th. We finna take this shit worldwide wide. I was gonna drop another single before the album, but I'm wondering now if I should drop 2, only because I got so many songs, to be honest. It's about to go crazy. Chopsticks. No. No. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna be a mom right now. It's now 3:44. I came in like at 11 a.m. I got some rest. I just woke up. I'm gonna be a mom. I'm gonna teach my baby how to ride a bicycle today. I've been absent for a while because I've been so hardworking. Just going crazy on this fucking release. I co-directed the video. So everybody who's saying that the video is shot, yes, baby, I co-directed it. I'm not even going to tell y'all all the things that I had to do to make sure this shit was right. It was stressful, but it was worth it. I shot this video on my birthday. You heard? On my birthday. The next time I come on live, I know you guys wanna know how the collab came about. I'm gonna tell you the next time I come on live. But I need to go be a mom right now. It's 3:45 where I am. I need to go teach my baby how to ride before night comes down. Give that American accent a rest. No, because Americans, majority of them, they can't really understand patois when we speak. So if you hear me talking with that accent, I'm speaking to the Americans. When you hear me chat Jamaican, I only me a chat too. If you hear me a twang, I know only me a chat too. Because you can understand both. So me have to talk sometimes so other people can understand. Osh. Chris Brown posted you on his story. Hard work, okay, going, sis. You know Kalash. Rihanna, the real MVP. She is. That's my motherfucking queen. I told you, I'm not going to be chill this year, you know. Last year, I really chilled. And me just make me people talk. I see people asking already who is running my account. And me run every account for myself. And me control my shit. Me. It's just that I've been real cool. And I'm still gonna be cool, but I'm gonna voice my opinion more because sometimes you just have to. And I just want to let people, like other artists, know that it doesn't make you less of a star to speak about how you feel. It doesn't. You're a human. Me know that. You're a human. But as for any female artist who try to come at me this year, me not answer none. None. Because me not depend nothing with none of uno. I have to go work on yourself. I not answer nobody when they come on to. No artist I try put me down. I'm not answering none.